What's up, guys? Today is Friday and I am super excited. Not because it's the weekend, but because today we're going to do something just a little bit different. Now, earlier today I went rock climbing and I decided to leave my camera at home. Instead of giving you guys a shot of me doing some rock climbing, I decided to do something with the kids today and I think it's going to be fun. So I'm going to wrap up right here and move on to the couch and bring the kids in. Okay, let's go. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah. We're ready!
Okay.
Wait, what are we ready for?
Close your eyes.
Oh! Sun and moon rising!
We're going to open up these packs and all the megas and EXs that we find, we're going to split them. But in order for you to earn them, you have to do, for each one, you have to do 20 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, and 20 squats. All right?
That's okay. Clefairy's really sucky.
So we got Clefairy.
Tentacool!
I've never seen them before.
You gotta get Tentacool.
Oh, Casper.
Oh, yes! Nice!
A bunch of new ones. Gothia.
Gothita.
Lord Cinch.
Oh, Lorne!
Four GX!
We got Cheetah!
On the first pack.
Dibs on keeping it!
There's a wishy-washy
Wishy-washy GX, baby.
Really?
You got
We got, is that close? Is that zooming in? We got 7 new
GX.
GXs to go through. So Maya, you want
Those guys.
Drampa and Como-o? Como-o? Is that how you pronounce them?
Yep.
And Tristan, you're going to get Turtonator and Metacross? Metagross? Metagross.
Oh, wait till
All
mommy
right.
sees this in my binder.
So each of them was 20 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, 20 squats, right? So times 2, so 40 of each. And Daddy will do 60. All right? Ready?
Why do you do 60?
Because I got 3 of them.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Do I do push-ups now?
Dibs on that.
All right. Woo. All right, guys. We are done. Oh, Tristan's already gone. We are done. Had a good quick workout.
Look, they look so sick in my binder.
I know they look so sick.
My legs are aching right now. I can barely walk. It's funny to walk.
That's good. I can barely walk. That's what I want to hear. That's what I love to hear. All right, guys. I think that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And as always, I will see you
What was just amusing?
tomorrow.